Coming to you from the interstate, driving to some house washing jobs today. I am just wearing a basic white t-shirt today because I'll be cleaning my grandmother and her sister, my great aunt's houses today. Given the family discount pretty much, my little mama's house is like big as nothing. Total like 200 bucks, you know. I spent maybe, I think it was like 40 bucks in chemical to make a little house wash batch. I am batch mixing. I'm sure you can see them back there, the two rain barrels. But starts coming over. The great aunt's house is it's not really bigger. It's a one-story still, but it's very long. So I told her just $250, making 450 bucks on the day. Going to my hometown, where I'm from, is what's known, I guess, as God's country, because there's no cell phone service. Still, to this day, 2024, there is no cell phone service. There's no Walmarts. There's a Dairy Queen, a Subway, and one red light. Okay, that's where I'm from. That's where we're going to clean a couple house washes, or do a couple house washes. People there don't have a lot of money at all. It's an hour and 30 minutes away from where I moved to and live now currently. But do some family work today. It is Monday. The solar eclipse is supposed to happen, but it is so cloudy I can't even see the sun. So I'm just going to go out and wash and make some cash and not worry about it. That's what I think about it. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the bit of time lapse on the family locations. I will be revamping the channel. We're going to be renaming the channel. I don't like the name of the channel. I don't know why I made it that, but I did. We're going to be revamping. A lot of old videos are going to get unlisted, and we're just basically going to be starting, I don't know if fresh is the right word, but basically, before I started doing like washing content and business content, I did like going to work at Amazon and leaving the first day because it's trash, the rumors are true, blah, blah, blah. And that's where we gain most of our views and subs from. If you don't know how YouTube works, when you post a video, you can uncheck mark this, but it actually, I leave it checked just because, but I probably should uncheck it. But the guys of you that subscribe here for washing content and pressure washing business stuff and business advice, the video might not even get served to you because I have the option checked to push the video first. It's going to appear on people that are subscribed to me's homepages, and if they do not watch it and pass it up, because majority of them are people working at Amazon or doing trucking, or you know, they have no interest in washing content or pressure washing or business advice. The majority of them do not. It hinders that video, hinders its reach. It is proven. They have stated it about the algorithm, and I know that if I make good content, it'll be pushed out regardless, but it is actually hurting us quite a bit. I want you guys to comment down below which you think I should rather do. The guys of you that want pressure washing content. Should I rename the channel, unlist all the videos on this channel besides the pressure washing videos? Or, and this is my favorite option, but you're going to have to do a few clickages, if you will. I unlist all the pressure washing videos here, repost them on a new YouTube channel in like an old pressure washing playlist or something, and start anew where we can build a pressure washing business owners community. That is what I'm leaning toward right now. Some of you may not care, but I plan to go more tactical, more in detail, not just post time lapses and stuff like that. Get into the equipment, maybe post some build videos, because I do like doing a bit of DIY stuff. until I eventually buy a custom rig made for me, because right now I have a lot of time to be able to do that, but I want to get busy enough to where I don't have time to do anything to the equipment. Obviously if I go down, but I mean, I don't have time to DIY it. That's what I want to get to. Right now I have a lot of time, so I trade that time to make the thing that's going to make me money, but I would like to get to where I can buy a custom built one from one of these builders. Who knows, maybe even sponsor said channel, either this one or that one. All right, let me know what you think. We're going to get into the washing time lapses now. Crazy. The sun hasn't gone behind the moon yet. Yeah, I don't know if I'm washing the house myself. We officially ran out of juice. So now we gotta go make another batch mix. In my area, 12.5% SH costs about $4.84 from a local supplier. And I went to, there was a new opening, a new Menards open near me, and they had 12.5% for $4.99 a gallon. And instead of driving an hour to go get bulk, I was like, I'll just buy 5 gallons here for $5 a piece, you know. But let's make another batch. Here's the little house number 2. This is a place where I have grown up. Little bitty beginnings. I'm not going to record a time lapse on this one. Just wanted to really show you guys. Here is an explainer of my very simple but very effective, cheap truck skid build. Skid's made out of cheap plywood and some 2x4s. Got a pump sprayer for like F9 bark. I just put the wand down in the pressure washer. That's why I left it on the tires as well, so there's no vibrations in the motor, all that stuff, if you mount it directly to the plywood. That's trash I gotta throw away from the day. I had some leftover pool essentials and stuff. An iron hose reel. Now iron you cannot put bleach through, which is why I do not downstream at the moment, but if I were, this downstream does not work anymore. I would have to put on a new downstream here, bypass the reel, unhook from the reel, hook up to the downstream. Here is the soft wash hose, which is what I'm going to be doing right now today. And then there is a cheap garden hose reel, as you can tell. It is pretty much just for storage, and that is it. This is a stainless steel reel because we run bleach through it, so it will last longer. Not an iron reel. They look the same, but they are not swivels. Even though they will not move, they do not move. Yeah, I've been bypassing the reel, actually, less restriction. And then we got a bleach tank on the right and a water tank on the left. Bleach tank is a batch mix. That's pretty much it. Pretty simple. It's very nice to use, easy to use. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little bit of a day in the life of 2 house washes. I got paid the cash right here, $100 tip. So that was $300 for the small house with the $100 tip, and then $250 for the longer house. So that is $550 on the day. Closing up shop, here we are. Hit that like and subscribe button, and let me know what you think about the other channel option.